Namaskar. We have learned the acidity and basicity, the pH. So today we'll discuss the importance of controlling acidity in soil. First of all, we need to understand the pH range for the soil. Most of the soil have pH value between 3.5 to 10. I repeat, most of the soil have pH value between 3.5 to 10. And the preferred pH range for the vegetable is 4.5 to 7.5. The best pH for the vegetable is generally 5 to 7. The pH of 6.5 is just about right for the most home garden. So we understand that the acidic pH is suitable for the soil, but below 4 or 3.5 pH is not suitable for vegetation. Now we discuss the cause of low soil pH. Soil with high peat content, peat means coke, carbon, coal. Okay, soil with high peat content or with mineral such as iron compound or with rotting vegetation and lack of oxygen tend to be acidic. Means soil become more acidic than pH 4.5. The soil pH can reach as low as pH 4 and soil become more acidic, and the more acidic soil is not suitable for vegetation. How will you control the pH of soil? The acidic soil. So controlling acidity in soil, we can use few things. The process is known as liming. If the soil is acidic, we can use lime. What is lime? Lime is calcium oxide. The formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Means we can add lime or calcium hydroxide, slagged lime or powdered chalk, CaCO3, or limestone, CaCO3, means calcium carbonate, into the soil. This process is known as liming. Liming increase the pH of soil. These all are base, and if the soil is too acidic, these bases perform neutralization with the acid present in the soil, and the pH of soil increases. Sometimes the soil is too alkaline. If you are adding so many composites, manure, in that case you are adding base in the soil to increase the pH of soil to gain neutrality. But sometime if you are adding more manure, more compost to the soil, soil become alkaline and the pH value of the soil increases. We have heard about acidic rain, acid rain. The rainfall has acid. So in that case, if there is acid rain, the soil pH is also affected and soil pH decreases. So from this video, we have learned how to control acidity in soil and what is the importance of controlling acidity in soil.